So guys, we've got the Blackpool Tower there, as you can tell. Zoom in a bit, it's been here for years as a Blackpool Tower. So yeah, we'll have a wander by at beach. I'm going to have a coffee because I really need a warm drink because I'm soaking. I've been busy going around places today and soaking. So it's pretty windy today by the sea, of course. I'm getting blown about, it's like 50 miles per hour, guys. I'm freezing, I'm damp. But this is what we come to see. So yeah, this is what we come to see. I'm freezing and damp, very windy weather. I'll show you at sea, because tide's in. It's pretty wild. So just checking out a few rides and stuff all the way around here. Got the old waltzers there, if anyone remembers them. They're good to go on, I've been on them for years. Welcome to Central Pier. What's this place? Cut the String. Latest games. Walk to end at pier. I have to mute some bits out of video because music plays. Very windy though. Sorry if the audio's bad, I've got my landline, it don't work anymore, so I need to buy a new one. And I don't know if you can plug it into this camera. And there we go, we've got the Pepsi Max just down there. On south end at Blackpool. At least the sun's coming out now, it's warming up everything because I'm freezing. So guys, just checking out south end, checking out the Pleasure Beach, but I'm not going in Pleasure Beach today because it's too cold, I'm freezing. It's been cold today, but we'll have a good look at Pepsi Max over here. Nice clear shot. Doesn't look like there's anybody riding it, probably because it's too cold. It's middle of winter pretty much, so yeah, not many people are riding it. I ain't seen it go around once yet. I was thinking of buying a ticket, but it's too cold. Is that a pizza up? Believe it or not. Yeah, so I just got a tram down here and we'll be going back up to Central shortly. Gonna go back to the car, probably have a coffee in the car. Might buy a burger on the way because I'm starving. I haven't eaten yet. Well, I got a little biscuit with hot chocolate, but I didn't. It was a bar, so a pub, so they didn't do hot chocolate. They didn't do food really. Just give you a free biscuit. But yeah, so just in Blackpool, as you can tell. come back next time, I probably might go on a roller coaster, but it's too cold today. Got is it Water World or something like that called, or water slides and stuff. Never actually been there, I've known this place. Never really been here before. Like a little water fountain, that looks cool. I think you need to clean windows look a bit dirty outside. Do it windows. But with this weather on front and stuff, it probably, that wind and seawater, they'll probably get dirty for fun. But they'd be hard to clean them windows because you've got to get through slide and stand on slides, you know, you really get to them that easy. Bit of a bad idea that really, of course, yeah.
Hold tight, please. Press the stop button when you wish to exit the tram. This tram is for Blackpool Ferry. Next stop, St Charles Road. St Charles Road. Hold tight, please. Press the stop button when you wish to exit the tram. This tram is for Blackpool Ferry. Next stop, Manchester Square. Manchester Square.
So I'm going to make a coffee fit drive home. Said I've got a nice warm pot of coffee, so I'll put my inverter on. As soon as it worked today, hopefully it'll work. There we go, it's working today. It was cold over day, so because it was cold, it didn't want to boil my kettle. But I'm just going to boil the kettle. I know it's on front seat. Really, it's because there's a car park next to me. I can't really get in back seat properly, you know, sitting back in my bed bit in the chair. So I'm going to make a quick brew. It'll take about 5 or 10 minutes to boil. Yeah, so hopefully you like this video. My legs are in pain and all that because I've done a bit of a walk today, and with arthritis it's not easy, but I tried to get it done a bit, you know, because I wanted to come here for a bit of something to do, you know, something nice. And yeah, it's been a good day out for today. Hopefully we'll get some more videos of different places next time. Like I say, I'll still keep doing these type of videos, as well as pretty much whatever I can find. Like today I tried looking at for an abandoned school, well, college, sorry, not school. Today I tried looking for an abandoned college, but it was knocked down, so I couldn't go there, because that were in Chorley, but it's gone. So yeah, if I see any abandoned places, I'm definitely gonna like visit them sometimes on the way, because there's no point going up to a certain place and not getting, you know, videos as well as the thing I'm doing, because I get a few in it one day if I can help it. And yeah, we'll be coming up Fleetwood next time to look for see if there's any abandoned boats. I'll try bring my mate up on the way, because sometimes I bring up, you know, with me, you know, well, the other YouTuber, you know, my friend who he's in. So yeah, sometimes when I come up these areas, I don't just go alone, sometimes he comes with me. So I'm going to, like I said, make this brew, make a coffee for the drive home, but I want to find some like abandoned ships, and I think there's, well, I won't say ships, I'd say like, you know, small ships, you know, on the coast, but I think there's some there, so like an abandoned graveyard, so we'll have a look at that when I come up here next time to Fleetwood. Yeah, so I'm just going to, like I say, make this brew. Hope you've enjoyed the video anyway, you know. Like I said, give us a subscribe in the bottom if you can. On logo, click the little logo, the picture of, you know, the little Adventures with Dex logo. If you click on that, it'll automatically subscribe. Just in the bottom right corner. Sorry, bottom left corner of the screen. It'll be on that. Just down there, the left hand, I think. So yeah. If you subscribe, just down at, so if you hit that logo at bottom left corner, you'll be getting more videos like this, you know, steadily. I'm trying to do it when I can. It's not easy with arthritis. My feet and back and everything are killing me, but I've pushed myself again, slowly, but it's not easy. With psoriatic arthritis, it's definitely painful on your feet and stuff. I had to get trammed out, but I can't walk like other people, like I used to. Not a lot. Used to be able to walk like literally all the way up and down this pier when I was younger, from north to south of Blackpool. Can't do it now. I definitely had to get a tram just to get there. So yeah, just waiting for this kettle to boil, and I'm going to set off back. I got my friend. One of them, he loves nugget bars, so I've got a pink and white candy nugget bar. I promised him, well, I didn't actually promise him, he said he loves them, and said I'm here, what do you get? So you get free for, I think it would either free for £6 or £2.50 each, no, £3.50 each I think. So I got free for £6. I got a peanut brittle, one nugget for me and one nugget for my friend. They are nice them though, the pink and white nuggets. Peanut butter brittles nice as well. That's really nice. I'm going to let my friend try that because he's never tried it. I'll let him try a piece. He says he's never tried it, so I'll see. I'll let him break a bit off for him. But yeah, in the video before, I saw a guy in his little coffee making van and all that, so I thought I'd add him onto the video just for a bit of, you know, because he were a nice guy, and I thought, you know, add him on, you know, see what he thinks. I wasn't actually, you know, I don't promote people out, I just thought, you know, just be nice, you know. He subscribed to my channel, you know, he were a guy, he's nice, subscribed, so I says, do you want to be on my channel? And he says, yeah. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this kettle to boil, which is nearly boiled now. Then I'll pour this brew, I'll get some milk out, get get my milk and put some in my cup. I had to use, I've got an old coffee cup there from that guy who I went to this morning, you know, for a coffee. And I kept his cup because I forgot my actual cup to bring with me, so I didn't know where to make a coffee. I had nowhere to like put my coffee in, so I've had to use that cup. It's actually got a bit of chocolate in it still from earlier. So it's like a cappuccino really, coffee and a bit of chocolate in it. Or is it a mocklet or something do they call it? It's coffee and that. Sorry, my car's a bit of a mess. I actually spilt down there. I've spilt all over there. I need to clean it all. It's a right mess, but I will get it cleaned. Yeah. So I've got my coffee made for the journey home. So if you like this one, please get a like, subscribe. If you hit that logo down at the bottom, you'll see my next videos. Or if you, I don't know if the logo, I think it's just to subscribe, but if you click the little bell icon, you can subscribe. Well, you can click all, subscribe to all, so notifications of all. And then when I get another video out, you'll get another notification, and every time I get one out, because I'm not really sure when I post, it's just when I can, and I don't really have a schedule. I've been posting one a week so far, but minimum I'll do is one a month. Minimum, so if you keep that notification bell, it'll help you know when I've got a channel out. Well, not a channel, it'll notify you when I've got another video out. Right, so thanks guys, I hope everyone has a good day, brilliant day, and I'll catch you next time.